What happened, man?
Listen to this.
Fuck.
What up, guys? Danny from Life.ATV here, and I'm here with Code.
What's up, guys?
And today we got the 450's out, we got the TRX, and we got the YFZ. Mine's a little dirty compared to Code's, but oh well. And Code's gonna take me on some new trails.
Yep, just finished it a couple hours ago.
There we go. You know, I'm excited to rip. We're all suited out here. All right, let's go.
Hey guys, Cody here. Just kind of want to show you guys today what we're doing here on the Lao compound. As you can see, we're trying to build a new trail here to get down to the cabin where the family usually hangs out and cooks hot dogs, has fires and stuff like that. And really haven't gotten too far. But show you a little quick thing here.
Lucy.
Yeah, man. Got it packed down pretty good. Got a lot of trees in the way. Slowly making progress. I'll let you guys to see how it goes. So. Alright, just kind of want to show you guys the progress we made so far. Haven't made a whole lot, but we were able to get a lot of the junk and stuff out of the way, like that tree right there, all this fencing and stuff around here. Yeah, we're starting to curve around here now, so slowly but surely.
it's dark out. I know you're 7, why you mad? I'm in my bag now. Yeah, I'm a star, going far, foreign cars now. You see me riding around the city with my top down. Balenciaga on me every time I walk out. I know I'm hard, shut it down with my guitar now. Yeah, I'm a star, foreign car, going hard now. You wanna play me, I'ma make you eat your heart out. Iced out, shawty saying that I'm nice. See it, then I cop it, I don't worry about the price. Now they see me and I'm popping, they don't know the sacrifice. She bout her business by the day, but she be freaky by the night, yeah. Sight, tell me what you like, put you on a flight. I got Sprite, purple and the ice, we can do it right. Living life, celebrating with the gang, and we gon' turn up every night. Don't know the biggest shorty, you know I'ma have you feeling right. Hey, look at the way that I do this, yeah. You hate it, I mean need to cool it. I'ma keep winning, no time to be losing. Only see me when I'm cruising. Shorty want me, she be goosing. Da Vinci Gabbana, I know that you wanna come fuck with me, but I be choosing. Yeah. I know you only wanna see me when it's dark out. I know you're 7, why you mad? I'm in my bag now. Yeah, I'm a star, going far, foreign cars now. You see me riding around the city with my top down. Balenciaga on me every time I walk.
What'll happen, man?
Listen to this.
Fuck.
I think that's the starter. I'm praying that's the starter. Anybody in the comments think that's a starter? Hit me up because, god damn it.
It's gonna be expensive.
But I should have fucking drove it home right there. But I had Kodak courage.
Always Kodak courage.
And I freaking can't even find the gear in these boots. Fuck me, bro.
We'll get her back. We're not too far from home.
Bro, you know what though? If I have to take it in to get the starter fixed, I might as well freaking do the bearings, freaking overhauling this son of a bitch.
She's worth the money, buddy. She's worth the money.
I should have fucking brought her home right there, but she was. I thought the battery might be dying. No, the battery's still on too. You can see the neutral light. Fuck me.
Well, that's the good old mechanic.
That sounds like starter, don't it?
Nice.
If you had to guess, I mean, we're Joe Blow mechanics, but
Yeah, we're YouTube mechanics.
starter in solenoid.
Oh yeah, we'll ask the good old mechanic at the house and see what it is.
What's the shame? The only thing I could say is, at least we're on the back half of riding season, you know?
Yeah, at least we're not in like fucking Wisconsin or anything.
I mean,
dude.
I can ride my Raptor and stuff in colder weather and stuff, but these carb bikes, we can't even get them started, so.
No, it's a pain in the ass.
Son of a bitch. But I don't want her to sit on the shelf.
Oh no, she won't.
No, I mean, sit on the shelf till like next year, though. I mean,
Yeah.
let's buy a new truck, though. Look for that video soon.
Yeah.
Look at that video soon.
Put in the plug. Put in the plug.
I had a sense, guys, that the starter was going out because when it's not in neutral or anything, it's just a pain to start. And even when it is, it usually takes a little bit to get it started. So I'm not surprised. I've always had this issue. That starter lasted 2 years like that. So like I said, hope that's what it is, but what can you do? They break down sometimes. Help has arrived, boys. Callie to the rescue!
Callie to the rescue!
2 years though, so she had a good run.
Yeah, she'll be fine. You can't put it forward like that.
No, I'm still getting it.
Okay, boys, at least nobody got hurt.
Always have a backup, right?
Have fun at the fair, pal.